Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here I was saying extremely miracle conch, first time in the world and never again. Conch opening in the shape of fish. See, it's a conch. The opening you can see in the shape of fish. It's a tail of a fish and the body of the fish and mouth of the opening perfect in the shape of a fish. So this conch can also take as a Matsya Avadar of Lord Mahavishnu. And it's a triple tail conch. Alaga miracle is a triple tail conch. See, you can see clearly one tail, two tail, and three tail. Triple tail. Triple tail conch. Triple tail conch is extremely rare collection. You can never see such a triple tail. Clear triple tail. Very very clear triple tail. See, one, two, three. Extremely clear triple tail, and opening in the shape of fish. Opening in the shape of fish. It is going to be extremely powerful puja conch in the world. It's the first time ever we are seeing the conch opening in the shape of fish. Okay, perfectly in the shape of fish. You can see it is like a tail and opening perfect shape of fish and triple tail. One, two, three. Triple perfect tail. That is important. Perfect, triple perfect tail. That is important. And this conch is definitely going to be Matsya Avadar of Lord Mahavishnu. The shape of fish. This conch is having multiple name. It's a beautiful conch with four tail, four lines for Lord Brahma. Beautiful collection from Indian Ocean. First time ever opening of the conch in the shape of the fish. Beautiful, unbelievable puja conch opening the shape of fish with triple tail. Triple tail is ultimate. Clearly one, two, three, triple tail. Extreme vibration. I can feel extreme vibration. Extreme vibration. Totally extreme vibration. It's beautiful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.